Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're standing in the heart of the iconic Hollywood Hills, about to step inside one of the most breathtaking architectural masterpieces on the market in 2025. This isn't just any home. This is an extraordinary $36 million luxury estate, a property that redefines what it means to live in the lap of modern sophistication and design. Over the next several minutes, we're going to uncover every detail, from jaw-dropping architectural features to the ultra-premium amenities that make this mansion truly one of a kind. This is the ultimate luxury home tour, and trust me, this is one you'll want to watch all the way to the end. As we approach the driveway, you immediately realize this isn't just a house, it's a statement. Set atop a secluded hilltop with panoramic views of Los Angeles and the Pacific, this residence stands proudly with its sleek lines, dramatic stonework, and glass facades, all crafted to take advantage of the California light. A modern motor court welcomes you with space for multiple vehicles and automatic gates for ultimate privacy. The landscaping? Impeccably curated. Minimal enough to let the home breathe, yet lush enough to create that perfect blend of nature meeting contemporary design. And speaking of design, this mansion is the kind of property that makes you stop, take a breath, and say, wow, this is something truly special. Now, let's step inside. The moment you open the front door, you're greeted by a double-heighted foyer that immediately sets the tone for the rest of the home. This entry welcomes you with soaring ceilings, sculptural lighting fixtures, and a seamless flow of natural light pouring in from floor to ceiling windows. Everything here feels intentional, from the stone floors to the custom millwork. This space doesn't just impress, it invites you in. And while this foyer is stunning on its own, it also does something even more important. It gives you your first glimpse at the heart of this home, the dazzling architectural promise that continues throughout every room. Just beyond the entrance is the great room, and this is where the architecture truly comes alive. This expansive living area features walls of glass that disappear into the surroundings, creating a seamless indoor-outdoor experience. Whether you're hosting an intimate evening or a grand celebration, this space was designed for performance and comfort. The open layout, premium finishes, and the way light dances across every surface, it's nothing short of breathtaking. And if the decor doesn't catch your eye, the views will, stretching from downtown Los Angeles to the sparkling ocean beyond. This is luxury living at its finest. Let's talk about the kitchen, because in a home of this caliber, it's no ordinary space. This is a chef's dream kitchen, complete with custom cabinetry, top-tier appliances, an oversized island perfect for meal prep or casual gatherings, and a layout that flows organically into the dining area. Imagine morning coffee here, sunsets with close friends here, holiday dinners with family here, and every moment framed by immaculate finishes, stone counters, sculptural lighting, and a thoughtful design that blends form with function. It's elegant, it's powerful, and it's designed for everyday living and unforgettable entertaining. Now let's head upstairs and see where luxury truly sleeps. The primary suite in this mansion is nothing short of a private oasis. Spacious, serene, and bathed in natural light, this room was clearly designed to be more than a bedroom. It's a personal retreat. Glass walls open to a private balcony with sweeping views, offering a perfect sunrise or sunset escape at any hour. And then there's the ensuite. This bathroom rivals those found in five-star resorts, with dual vanities, a freestanding soaking tub, an oversized shower, and premium finishes throughout. Not to mention a walk-in closet that's more like a boutique showroom, custom shelving, premium lighting, and space for even the most curated wardrobe. This is where architecture meets tranquility. But this house doesn't stop with just beautiful living rooms and bedrooms. This $36 million estate takes luxury to another level with an entire suite of amenities most people only dream about. There's a state-of-the-art home theater, thoughtfully designed for a cinematic experience that rivals your favorite theater. There's also a private fitness center, equipped with premium machines and space that motivates you to stay active. And for those who work from home, a custom office space that provides the ideal balance of productivity and inspiration. But perhaps one of the most impressive features, the entertainment lounge, complete with a custom bar, plush seating, and flow that makes hosting effortless and exceptional. Every detail in these spaces, from lighting to layout, was curated for comfort, style, and sheer luxury. Now we step outside, because no Hollywood Hills mansion is complete without an outdoor experience that matches the interiors. Here, the outdoor area is truly spectacular. An infinity-edge pool overlooks the city lights and ocean horizon, while a spacious deck invites al fresco dining, lounging, and sunset cocktails. There's a built-in grill, plenty of shaded seating, and landscaping that frames the view without distracting from it. Whether you're hosting a summer party or enjoying quiet evenings with the breeze off the Pacific, this space elevates every moment. And there you have it, an architectural masterpiece in the Hollywood Hills worth $36 million. From the dramatic design and flawless execution to the luxury amenities and unforgettable views, this home isn't just a place to live, it's a lifestyle. If you enjoyed touring this mansion with us, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you never miss a luxury home tour like this one. Which feature was your favorite? Let us know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.